Let's take a look at our ingredients. A strawberry flavor packet, 1 cup of cold water, a mixing bowl, and 2½ cups of boiling water. Okay, let's get started. Now Jello went ahead and made this the easiest recipe you can ever possibly do. So all you do is take your flavor packet and add it to the bowl first. Next, you add your 2 cups of boiling water. Now they're going to ask that you use a metal whisk to stir this together. If you don't happen to have a metal whisk, you can use a fork or a wooden spoon. The only goal here is to get it mixed together very well. Mix it up until everything's dissolved. Once that's done, you can go ahead and take your cold water and add that. Now that it's all mixed together, we have to chill it for at least 4 hours. I choose to put them in these little plastic square containers and put them in the refrigerator. If you're making a lot of different types, these stack really well. So just pick up the liquid that you've made and pour it into the container. Now we're going to want to go ahead and put our Jello mix away in the fridge for at least 4 hours. Okay, looks like our Jello's all done. So we'll just take our container now and open this up. Now you can see it's all jiggly, oh boy. So what you do now is you take a paring knife and you cut little squares into this. Okay, now that we have it all cut up, you just take a fork, you stick it in between, you pick up the little square piece, take a small dish and put it in. And there you have it. Jello's really easy to make, but boy is it delicious. For Expert Village, I'm Scott.